Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's market color session. This is just a recap of what we said during the London market color session. So for this segment, I will be analyzing DXY, GBP, USD, and non-USD. All right, so without wasting further time, we will just start off with DXY and monthly time frame. As seen right here in monthly time frame, we've seen that price has been bullish for a long time, for a period of time now. All right, and then suddenly we saw a sweep of this very liquidity right here. I'm seeing even more push to the downside. Coming down to the weekly time frame, we've seen price taking out this very low right here. The low at 100.021 on the weekly time frame, and we're even seeing more push to the downside. And coming down to the 4-hour time frame, favoring this most recent swing from point A to point B, we were speculating that we wanted to see price retracing into this very other block right here, coinciding with 78.6% fib level. The other block right here, coinciding with 78.6% fib level, calling out the price point. I'm interested in continuing the sell on DXY when price retraces into 97.272 on the 4-hour time frame and down to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, something even more interesting, the classic box pattern for a buy, which played out and we pointed it out during London market color session. Shoulder at 96.639, sweep to the downside. We've seen a break to the upside. All we saw was price retracing into this very left shoulder and we're seeing more push to the upside. And of course, we know where price wants to buy into the 4-hour other block on the DXY. So we're actually waiting for other entry. We're actually waiting for another entry signature, seeing that this had already left us using the box pattern strategy. We wanted to see if price was going to, form another, because this has already left us. Shoulder, sweep, break, price return, and seeing more push to the upside. Overall, we were bullish on the DXY, and we kind of saw price playing along that line. Short-term bullishness, of course, just a retracement for us to keep selling DXY. Down to GBP USD. In the monthly time frame for GBP USD, overall, we're seeing a bearish direction, Overall, we're seeing a bearish direction. And then we've seen price taking out this very high at 1.34300. And down to the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, we're seeing some bullish move. Price has taken out this very high all the way to the upside. Coming down to the daily time frame, favoring this most recent swing, which we did earlier. Right, we were speculating to see price retrace into 61.8% fib level, which is a good point. We've seen this fair value gap right here, and we want to see price trading into that level before continuing the buy on GBP USD. Overall, this morning, right, we were actually bearish on GBP USD. Right. We're bearish, and we said we wanted to see price, trade into this very left shoulder at 1.35321. So we wanted to see price trading into this very level. And of course, we don't just want to fold our arms and wait for price to get there. We were willing to take the sell all the way to this very left shoulder, and seeing that price still has room to get there. All of this move had not happened during the London market color session. It's just happening right now. right? Times that passed a while ago. Of course, I think this candle was in news. That's why we're seeing this full-bodied momentum, right? So we want to see price retracing into this very left shoulder at 1.35321 on the 4-hour time frame, and on the 1-hour time frame also. Shoulder, sweep, break. We want to see price retracing into this very level on 1-hour time frame, 1.34544. And once that happens, I'm willing to take the buy on GBP USD. Earlier this morning, we saw that this had happened. Okay, this had not happened earlier this morning, rather shoulder right here, sweep to the upside. We're waiting for a break to the downside. So right now, once I see price retracing into this very left shoulder, if that happens, into this left shoulder at 1.37421, once I see price retracing into this very left shoulder, I'm willing to keep selling GBP USD all the way to the left shoulder for a buy on 4-hour time frame for GBP USD. Now, the EUR USD being last on the list, we want to, just have a recap of what was analyzed and what played out. In the monthly time frame, as seen right here, we've seen even more bearish moves. We've seen a sweep of this liquidity right here. Seeing a sweep of this liquidity, and we're even seeing more push to the upside. And on the weekly time frame also, we're seeing more push to the upside. Right, so price is presently at premium, and at premium we are interested in selling, right? Of course, overall, the most recent price action, we're seeing bullish moves. So where price is at now, I'm willing to sell. I was willing to sell during London market color session to even make it juicier. We're seeing some kind of retracement right here. So from point A to point B, price actually retraced into 61.8% fib level. We're looking to buy off this point on the 4-hour time frame, and price has actually retraced into 61.8% fib level. And on the 1-hour time frame also, in 1-hour time frame, we've seen price doing this. So from here onwards, I'm going to be looking out for buy opportunities. We were speculating for this sell to retrace right here, and of course this was where we saw that this sell was going to take place into this very level. Shoulder at 1.18030, sweep to the upside, we saw a break to the downside, price returning to this very left shoulder, and we're seeing moves to the downside. But where price is at right now, I'm interested in buying Euro USD. Please, if you have questions, I'm just going to look out for entry signatures. If there's an entry for what I'm looking out for, I will be more than interested in taking the buy. But right now, this is what I'm seeing. Shoulder, sweep to the downside. Kind of a break to the upside, but it's quite sketchy. All right, so all I am interested in seeing is for price to retrace back into this very left shoulder on 15 minutes time frame. The left shoulder at 1.17666, and once price retraces into this very level, I'm willing to long Euro USD. Please, if you have questions at this point, kindly type in the chat box and we will be attending to them together. If you have a different bias totally from what has been analyzed, also type in the chat box and we'll be looking at it together. Okay, while we're still waiting for that, registration for the ATM cash flow training is currently ongoing. Kindly chat us up on 081 6099 5030 and we will be helping you with registration. TBC Abuja is coming up on the 2nd of August at Jabi. We will be communicating the exact venue very soon. Just watch this space and we'll be rolling out more information concerning that. If you live within Abuja, this is a very great opportunity to register for TBC. Again, chat us up on 081 6099 5030 if you have more inquiries about TBC or ATMC. If there are no questions, we've come to the end of the New York market color session for the 2nd of July 2025. I wish you an amazing day ahead. Cheers and God bless.
We've been planning for this event for a very long time, and we are happy that it's finally holding. One of the things we're hoping to do is to show you the full side of FX. We want to change the standard of trading in this country. We want to put as much truth into it and show you the good, the bad, and the ugly.
I am very much happy. It's like this boot camp is only for me.
Before the session ended, I gained a lot of insight. I understood a lot of things. I'm just very grateful for this platform because I've never gotten such knowledge for free before.
We've been planning for this event for a very long time, and we are happy that it's finally holding. One of the things we're hoping to do is to show you the full side of FX. We want to change the standard of trading in this country. We want to put as much truth into it and show you the good, the bad, and the ugly.
I am very much happy. It's like this boot camp is only for me.
Before the session ended, I gained a lot of insight. I understood a lot of things. I'm just very grateful for this platform because I've never gotten such knowledge for free before.